This is 1947 we're talking about. Oh my gosh. Spaghetti's too long. Oh. Oh. That's really good. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I really like to douse my spaghetti with sauce. Let's try another bite here. I need a spoon. Okay. Oh! I forgot to take the garlic out. It's really the only thing it said. It didn't say to worry about the peppercorns. It didn't say to worry about the cloves, but it said to take the garlic out. May have chunks of garlic in there. That's okay. I like chunks of garlic, so cloves are supposed to be very good for you. It said a tablespoon of salt. I put half a tablespoon of salt. I'm watching my sodium. I don't think it needs extra salt. It's really good. This may be the best spaghetti sauce I've ever made. With corn oil. I could put Parmesan. I don't want to color my palate right now with cheese. This is about the sauce today. Oh no. Oh. When I was shopping for mushrooms, man, I couldn't find whole mushrooms. Normally I cut up my own mushrooms. These mushrooms were pre-sliced and they were 8 ounces. The recipe calls for 3/4 of a pound. So that would be like 12 ounces, right? So I was short on all the mushrooms. It said 2.5 cups of sauce. I had 2 cups. It said 1.25 cups of water. I think I had 1 cup. So we changed it a little bit, but I gotta tell you, it tastes delicious. I used about 1.5 onions. It said 2 medium onions, but onions are huge these days. They're mutant onions. I didn't want to put too many onions in. Oh man. Oh. Really happy. Really nice and thick. Now, you know, servings these days are much bigger than in the old days. I think it said it made 4 cups. It's really nice and thick. Vegetarian, man! Genetically modified corn oil. I'm not sorry. This is some of the best tomato sauce I've ever made. From 1947. Slightly tweaked. Here we go. Thanks for joining me this
Sunday.
You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.